Custom synthesis means the exclusive synthesis of compounds on behalf of the customer. You can order a specific molecule that is only synthesized at your request on scale, with the purity and with the specification or methods you require. There is a huge difference between the conditions of custom synthesis on the one hand and Catalogue chemicals on the other. And there are differences between subcategories of custom synthesis, such as grams versus tons, or cGMP material versus samples for R&D.